Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to do the whole seamless transition in Instagram using the slice and crop tool in Photoshop. Guys, let's get into it. Guys, so first things first, let me quickly grab the phone, show you exactly what I'm referring to. Open up Instagram, let's grab this image, and you see this whole seamless transition. You can't even see where it's been sliced or cut. Now that's what we're aiming to do now. So let's get into it. Guys, so once you've opened your image in Photoshop, you need to crop it to the correct dimensions. So we're going to head over to the crop tool. If you can't find the crop tool on the left hand side, you can click on the three dots here at the bottom, open the edit toolbar manager, and you can move it over to this toolbar on the left hand side. Or by default, the C button on your keyboard will be the crop tool. At the very top, we make sure that this is set to ratio. And now Instagram allows 1:1 crop factor, or they allow 4:5 crop factor. Now, the 4:5 is slightly taller rectangle. In my case, I'm going to select 3 1:1s I would like to have next to one another. So I'm going to do a 15:5. You can see there's three 1:1 squares next to one another. So yeah, we're just going to make sure it's exactly how we want it. I can actually leave it exactly as it was. Hit OK. And there you've got it. Now we've got the correct dimensions. Next, we're going to head over to View and New Guide Layout. Once you click here, you're going to select the amount of columns you'd like. Now, I've previously done 2, so that's why it will still say 2. Now I'm going to need 3. So I've already cropped it to the correct dimensions for 3 columns. I can't now change it to something else, otherwise I need to recrop it from the beginning. If you've got some double lines here, it means there's something in the gutter as such. Let me make it a bit more significant. Just make sure that the gutter is also just cleared out. So we hit OK. Now, lastly, we need to slice them. So we click on the crop tool, hold it in a bit longer, slice tool, slice from guides. So now I've got 1, 2, 3 slices, all perfect squares. Next, we need to export it. So we click on File, Export, Save for Web. Then make sure it's set to JPEG and maximum quality, 100%. Then we save. Hit desktop. Let's leave it as such. Now I've saved the images. So if we minimize Photoshop, we'll see on the desktop where I saved the images, there's a folder which was created with the name images. This gets created automatically. If you click on that, you'll notice all 3 images are inside this folder. So there's the first one, second one, and third one. So what I'll do now is I'll upload these images to Google Drive and then just download them on my phone and upload them to Instagram. Guys, as simple as that. So guys, please don't forget to like, subscribe, do comment below if you've got any questions. Until next time, see you. Bye.